Our dash cams have always been a trusted companion for many drivers to record and capture the unexpected. Now, your discreet eyewitness has up to 4K Ultra HD resolution while still providing a wide 140-degree field of view of your surroundings. We've always felt that drivers should have choices when it comes to what they put in their vehicle, and nothing has changed with this new lineup of ultra-compact dash cams. For drivers who want a dash cam that goes virtually unnoticed on your windshield, the Dash Cam Mini 3 is a great option. This remarkably compact camera, which is about the size of a traditional car key, still provides you with 1080p HD video. Or you can step up to any of the X series dash cameras depending on the resolution that you desire. Know that whichever camera you choose, everything mentioned today features a brand new built-in Garmin Clarity polarizer lens that reduces windshield glare, giving you a clearer view when you need it the most. When it comes to the X series dash cams, there are 3 choices to look at, all of which have a 2.4-inch display, the addition of a few different situational awareness features, and the option to go for a higher resolution camera. To kick this series off, we have the Dash Cam X110 with a 1080p HD camera. We also have the Dash Cam X310 featuring a 1440p HD camera. And finally, the flagship in this lineup is the Dash Cam X310, which brings drivers sharp 4K Ultra HD resolution, an intuitive touchscreen display, and frame rates up to 120 frames per second for a crisp, detailed video when identifying information that can be most important. While we just covered all the things that differ between these cameras, why don't we take a moment to highlight the features that they all have in common? Voice control provides you the ability to save video as well as starting and stopping audio recordings. Automatic incident detection records and saves video when an incident has occurred. With built-in GPS, videos are stamped with location, speed, date, and time to show exactly where and when events occurred. Lane departure and forward collision warnings help to encourage awareness, while go alerts notify you when stopped traffic in front of you has started to move. And don't forget to pair your dash cam with the Garmin Drive mobile app on your compatible smartphone. With a paid Vault subscription, you'll get automatic and continuous secure video storage and access to view and share your saved video clips from the online Vault via an active Wi-Fi connection. Garmin's brand new Dash Cam Mini 3 and X series are sure to meet the needs of any drivers out on the road. To take a look at the full feature list of any of these dash cam products we mentioned today, be sure to head on over to Garmin.com.